Alright, so I was on Amazon. I found the NVIDIA JETSON NANO 2 gig developer kit from $59 to $49. The 2 gig, it's not bad, man. I told myself, yo, self, we gotta get this. And behold, 2 days later, what do we got here? Let's see what we get in this. Alright, let's take a look at this. Jetson Nano 2 gig developer kit by NVIDIA. It means $49 though. You can't really beat that at all. Let's see. And there she blows. Let's open this real quick. One of my blades. Get one of my blades out here. And yeah, here we go. That looks pretty good. Let's see what else we get in here. Quick start guide. Pamphlet. USB extender cable. And a Wi-Fi dongle. I don't know if y'all can see that. Let it focus. Link Kuko, whatever that is. Yeah, so we get a USB extender kit, Wi-Fi dongle, and the main developer board. Let's see what some of these components are. Okay, let me zoom this in so you can see a little better. All right. Try to get this all in the screen. All right. Let's see what we got. Well, over here we got 40-pin expansion header set. All your pins. We got a micro USB device mode only. We got an ether port. We got two 2.0 USBs, one 3.0 USB, one HDMI cable, and one USB Type-C for power. Over here we got the MIPI CSI2 for camera input, and I believe under here we got a micro SD card slot. It's right here if you can see it. I don't know. Let me get this in the camera focus. It is right here. It looks like it's more accessible. So let's see. I mean, it's a pretty good deal. And it's only $49.99. Come on. That's a pretty good deal. So you get all this in the kit. It's not bad. Alright, now let's talk about the specs. Let's see what we got here. Trying to get this stuff focused. Alright, we got 128 gig core NVIDIA Max GPU. I mean, that's pretty good. Quad core ARM, Cortex A57 MP core processor. Let me grab my little pointer. 2 gig memory. I mean, they make a 4 for the Jetson Nano, 4 gig, and then I guess 8 gig for the Xavier. So I mean, you don't got that gig capacity. Micro SD card slot, and pretty much all the other stuff I ran down. Yeah, gigabit ether cord. But it does not come with system required, not included. See all this? Memory card not included, power supply, type C, and it has to be 5 volts, at least 3 amps minimum. But I mean, all in all, $49. I mean, you cannot beat that. This is like a steal of a lifetime. Lightweight. You know, if you want to get into it and understand how to do it, that's a good starter thing. If you want a video on what to get, I might do a video on those. You need a cooling fan. That's one of them you're gonna get. A memory card. And at least it's better off getting 128 gig memory card. You're gonna need a power adapter that at least puts 5 volts, 3 amps minimum. So all in all, that's a pretty good deal. Right, and that's about it for the Amazon $49 NVIDIA Jetson Nano 2 gig developer kit. It don't come with a cooling fan, memory card, or a power adapter. But all in all, I think it's a good deal. It's a steal pretty much. So I'll leave a link in the description for it if anybody trying to get their hands on it. If you find this video helpful, go ahead, hit the like, subscribe, drop comments down there, and let me know if you want to see other videos or other reviews stuff, or maybe I'll do a video on putting a cooling fan on this if y'all want to see it, or if you want to see a video of, you know, trying to start putting the memory card, uploading it, get it started, you know, what power cord you might want, the preferable, you know, all the above. But thanks a lot, and I'm out.